Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a collection of 10 amazing tools that are truly on another level. These innovative gadgets will make your projects faster, easier, and more efficient. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Kicking off our list is the vinyl siding adapter. This little attachment is a game changer for anyone working with vinyl siding. It allows you to easily install or remove siding without causing damage. Just attach it to your drill, and you're ready to go. It's perfect for professionals and DIYers alike who want to speed up their siding projects while ensuring a perfect finish every time. Next up, we have the Drill Dock cordless power drill and driver tool organization and storage system. If your workspace is constantly cluttered with drills and drivers, this is the solution you've been waiting for. The Drill Dock gives each tool a dedicated spot, keeping them organized and within easy reach. No more searching for your drill or driver. Just grab and go. When it comes to securing heavy loads, these ratchet straps are an absolute must-have. With a 1,500 pounds braking strength, they're incredibly strong and reliable. Whether you're moving appliances, lawn equipment, or anything else, these straps ensure that your load stays secure during transport. Plus, they come with soft loops to prevent scratching or damaging your equipment. Cutting through PVC, PEX, and other plastic pipes has never been easier, thanks to the LIBRATON PVC pipe cutter. This ratchet-operated tool is designed for one-handed use, making it incredibly convenient. It's capable of cutting pipes up to 1 5/8 inches in diameter with precision. And the best part? It comes with a deburring tool to ensure your cuts are smooth and ready to go. The Quick Pipe Wrench is here to revolutionize how you work with pipes. Unlike traditional wrenches, this one features a rapid adjustment mechanism, allowing you to switch between different pipe sizes in seconds. Its ergonomic design provides a strong, comfortable grip, making it ideal for both tight spaces and extended use. The Ico B2 Rapid Fire Bender is recognized as the fastest and most innovative conduit bender on the market. Engineered with the end user in mind, this versatile tool accepts 3/4 inch to 2 inch EMT, IMC, and rigid conduit without the need for shoe changes, making it incredibly efficient and user-friendly. Its design streamlines the bending process, reducing setup time and increasing productivity on the job. Continuing with our electrician-focused tools, the Ico Canon 1K is a powerhouse when it comes to pulling cable. This tool can handle up to 1,000 pounds of pulling force, making even the toughest jobs a breeze. It's designed for efficiency, helping you save time and effort on every pull. Gardeners say goodbye to back pain with the Kickaiga garden fork and digging spade. This innovative tool is designed to reduce the strain and effort required for digging, making your gardening tasks more comfortable. Its ergonomic design allows you to dig deeper with less effort, making it a must-have for anyone who spends a lot of time in the garden. If you're a fan of the Milwaukee Packout system, you're going to love these upgraded front wheels. Built from steel for enhanced durability, these wheels can handle up to 200 pounds with ease. They make transporting your Packout toolbox smoother and more efficient, even on rough terrain. These wheels are the perfect upgrade for anyone serious about their tools. Last but certainly not least, we have the 180-in-1 precision screwdriver set. This comprehensive kit is perfect for anyone who works with electronics, whether it's repairing a laptop, phone, or game console. With 180 bits included, you'll have the perfect tool for every job. It's a must-have for tech enthusiasts and professionals alike.